It's a good morning. Now, this is one of the shortest live I'm going to do. Just 30 minutes late, but this is one of the shortest live I'm going to do. The reason why I've just come, I just want to do this for consistency's sake. And hope you had a great weekend. Let's look. Today it's bank holiday. It's a bank holiday. Euro, GBP, the Euro, French, German, and Great British Pound and USD. Today is bank holiday in all the banks. In the Euro, we have the European, the German, and the France. I've told you it's a wheat Monday in part of the Euro. And in the Great British Pound, the United Kingdom, we have Spring Bank Holiday. And also in the United States, we have a Memorial Day. And low liquid during the New York session in the USD pairs, the USD, the United States, they are currently bank holidays, and the same to Euro, same to UK. So today is one of the low liquidity. Price might actually move, but as a trader, you want to be part of those moves that happen during high liquidity. As you have seen, this is not an entry that you should be pressing. Monday consolidation is a Monday London session, so early enough to be pressing so much in your trade. Yeah, so this week you stay consistent. I'll try to come the whole of the week, Monday to Friday, as we have started Monday London. I'll also come during the Monday New York session, and probably not, because today, as you have seen, it's a bank holiday and prices are such consolidating. You see, this move has actually cost me $1, and I have just got out. Like, I don't want to say anything. I'm going to come during the New York session, but as you have seen, we have bank holiday today. So even if price moves, like price continue running and it's a bank holiday, you have no problem, but actually want to wait for price to form. So today I might expect a low liquidity session. Why? Because I've come late, because we have seen here in the bank holiday. You see this bank holiday. Yeah, we're actually experiencing the bank holiday, like USD, GBP, and Euro. They are all bank holidays. I stated before, the United States, the Memorial Bank Holiday, Spring Bank Holiday in the United Kingdom, Wheat Monday in part of Europe like Germany and France. This is not a day that you'll want to press so much harder, but according to our analysis, I am bullish in any form of price action run. Bringing down it to the weekly. Okay, I usually start, but I'm not going to go to the monthly. It's the weekly. We have in the weekly here in the GBP, we have something called a fair value gap in the weekly. We see a fair value gap in the weekly. Going down to the daily, I'm expecting price to come to this buy side liquidity. As I've told, I'm bullish. Also, there's a fair value gap there, small one here in this 12th May candlestick. I'm just bullish. I don't have to see bearish prices. I want to see bullish prices to this buy side liquidity in the daily, and also this one in the daily, the buy side liquidity. I wanted price to come to this 4-hour fair value gap, but we'll just see. And today I'm not going to press it so much. You just want to watch price. These are the days that you want to watch price. It's a Monday London session. You'll want to sit as a trader, like to enjoy sitting when price just don't move, or at a like this, which is a bank holiday. You see also in the hourly, this order block, this whole order block here. See all this order block here, price is not closing inside it, just coming inside it, then keep on going up high, going down to the, you see also in the hourly, price is inside a fair value gap. You see the value gap there, price has touched in the fair value gap, then price is just going up higher as a bullish. Last week we were bullish, and you saw, watch that video that I said price did actually what you expected. It was just accuracy. Also here you see prices rally post 12 a.m. This is actually one of the characteristics that you want to keep on buying above the midnight open, but as you have seen, it's actually a tricky scenario. Price actually took 15 minutes to come to this fair value gap, so nope. Even if it's below, above it, so now selling it to that, sell liquidity to this might actually be entry, but as of today being a bank holiday and a lot of things are lining up for low liquidity, you will not want to press it so much, and it's a Monday London session. These are the days that I usually avoid, but if I get something, last week London, that was the best price action happened on Monday, but today it might happen. But as you have seen, the Forex factory has told us that we have a consolidating day. You see our price, I'm expecting bullish prices. The 50-minute, that's fair value gap. Okay, it is in the fair value gap, but price might really come sweep this, but not probably. I don't want to see price coming below this midnight open, but I want to see price keep on rallying. I want this fair value gap to be disrespected, same that order block. And also, what are you expecting? What are your targets? Like how many pips? 50 and 70. Yeah, price might usually come there today, but I don't want to participate in such and come tomorrow and Wednesday. These are the best days, especially tomorrow. Okay, don't have news tomorrow, but I'm expecting good things. You see there, is this a fair market structure shift in the 5-minute? We said liquidity, market structure, the price swept that low. Market structure shift in the 5-minute. Is it it? Might be our entry. Price comes here in the price does the market structure shift. And boom, declines again. That is the only chance that I had to buy. Yeah. But let's watch and see what price does. See the market structure shift in the 5-minute. Let's look at the 3-minute. Price is in that market, that fair value gap in the 3-minute. If you want to buy, you'll want to buy and stop and put a stop loss there. And as you've seen, today's prices are so much high. Yeah, because it's a London session, it's a Monday. Buying there, then putting a stop loss there. This actually is for pips. See, price is just delaying to come to that fair value gap. Let me use another color. If that fair value gap gets disrespected, that will now tell me I'm not going to enter. I don't want to participate. If price comes below this fair value gap, disrespect the fair value gap, disrespect the order block, and come below here, that will actually be my card of getting out and closing out this price action and just going away and closing it and waiting for the New York session. Let's wait and see. Let's remove this. And actually this order block also, I don't want to see price coming below it. So my ticket of getting out of this trade and ending the live will when price has swept this low. That will be my ticket for getting out of this price action. And what I will actually expect is price 50 pips and 70 pips to this price at liquidity. Let me use that this marker of long. Let's use the 3 minutes because the 3 minutes where price entered that. I don't want to see price coming below that, and it's actually doing it. And I'll actually end the live because you've seen today it's bank holiday, a lot of things are aligning with us, we are off. You see, it's actually price is coming to that stop loss for hours. Then I just want it to stop us out, then we'll now confirm that we are wrong and then end the live and come back during the New York session where we might actually see some liquidity. I'm not putting this low, I want to put in this low because these are not the one that have formed that fair value gap, or the swing low that has formed the fair value gap. This is another block. Price disrespected. I'll be happy now. Price is actually giving me early entries of we are wrong. This low, if price comes before this low, below this low, the live will just end automatically, and I'll not be interested in entering any trades again until the coming of New York session. Let's zoom it there. Good, nice, sweet. To our stop loss, then ending the live. Also, let me read the chat box and see what happens. Yeah, I usually trade during the I'll take partials off. Yeah, I saw that message and actually get back to you. Yeah, how to take partials. No problem. I'll show you how to take partials. Trading with the bank holiday. I usually give one chance during the bank holiday. Usually give one chance during the bank holiday. I'll take partials off. Yeah, I'll just create a video after this line has ended using my phone. It's just something I need to illustrate. I'll just do it. And I'll take partial. I'll just show you. High time frame view in the Great British Pound. It's bullish, 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 bullish. In the Great British Pound. If you are going to participate or you're going to be an active viewer of mine, you'll actually want to stick with this currency, the Great British Pound, because that's what I'm best and I'm confident that nobody can beat me in Great British Pound. In the Euro, it's just the same. It's just bullish, 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 bullish. Also in the Euro. The Great British Pound is bullish. And also, I had something during the weekend. You see how the weekend I told you about told you I'm watching this low during the weekend, how I told you how the interest is just aligning with our bias. We are see that other block, interest rates in the what, the interest rates, the who's this guy? The Kevin Warsh, the guy, the Trump guy. They actually want lower interest rates. You see, having that low interest rates and our Great British Pound is the same as the 3.75. I think that's the current. Yeah, that's the current interest rates for the Great British Pound. They're the same with the USD. Being having that and analysis are bullish. It just aligns. They're reducing the interest in the USD, like the USD reducing the interest rates. You see, then Great British Pound maintaining. It's actually aligns a lot of things with it. So prices can be, see that now that level gap. I want to see it being respected. If it doesn't, I'll question it. Yeah, from that candlestick in 248. High time frame analysis is bullish in the USD. The dollar, I'm expecting bearish prices. And you also saw in the weekend how it broke down the higher time frame. Why I told you, yeah, we're expecting lower, and you've seen how we were just correct. We were just bearish, then price cut down, boom. And I told you the week before the Sunday, I'm telling you I'm expecting lower prices in this DXY, and you see price declines, then boom, like actually gaps a lot. And I told you beforehand I'm expecting bearish price in the DXY, and in the British Pound, you see how price started rallying up during the Sunday, then keep on going up higher. Yeah, it's a holiday. You might want to trade, but I usually want to give it one chance this time. Let's see if price will actually continue. It may actually come here, hypes us up that yeah, we're going up. Those who are going to overtrade and keep on buying up more, then declines. But I don't want to see price. If it comes here, I'm ending my life. Yeah, this is my actual ticket to ending the life. If it doesn't, it actually see price want to go and rally up higher. And let's watch and see. Will actually extend if price reaches here, but let's wait and see what price does. Hard time frame analysis is bullish. Hope you have answered the question. Like the live, comment, and watch for insightful things. And let's see price. So I said below here, end the live. Now being satisfied that I'm wrong. Now let's watch it. Yeah. Price is actually going rolling up high and high, and let's watch it. told you if price comes below that, ending the live and waiting for New York, because this is a bank holiday and not expecting much liquidity, but you're going to give it a chance and actually see what price does for us. If it reverses, no problem. It's still early in the week, still have more opportunities, but this trade of this week's, each trade I take, I'm gonna journal it and we're gonna record. Actually, even going through that journal, that it's a spreadsheet. Keep on watching price and tell me what's your take on how accurate we are. Yep. My oh my. Is price doing what you expected? Yes. If price reaches 30 pips out of the trade and if it doesn't, and reverses to this, closing the live, if it reaches 30 pips, I'm gonna take something, then close also the live. Is price doing as expected? Kind of. think it's I want to see that order block. Okay. Keeping prices this bullish order, this, yeah. See this? If we're really going to go up higher, I want to see this price, this order block, keeping price from going below here. We're already inside the trade, and we are actually safe, but I'm not going to move my stop from now. I'm actually going to manage the trade by telling you I don't want to see this, I want to see this. Bullish order block, I want to see price. Even if price will go inside the bullish order block, I don't want to see it going below it. If it does, bad day. Keep on enjoying. Let's see what this price action does for us. Let's mark the 30 pip mark, because when price reaches there, I'll want to remove something great. That's our level. Let's put it there, like that's our level where we want to see price fast reaching. Price fast reaching to this, we want to take out something, and also continue. We want to see this price coming to it. But this is our first take profit, 30 pips. Let's see if we'll see a swing high in the hourly. The first swing high in the hourly. Wow, it's actually at that 30 pip mark, but price might not because it's a holiday. But let's watch. Wow, you see how price starts sitting nicely at that price level, and it's a 30 pip move at exactly 1 hour. That time frame in there at that 30 pips, that's exactly the first 1 hour swing high that you'll want to take out something. Exactly, that's where we'll take out something. You see that coincidence? How is that price? Let's move this. Yeah, you see this? This is actually, I told you, 30 pips, and the same 30 pips is the same swing high. It's not random, man. But let's watch the euro. Okay, in the euro they have a bank. It's a bank holiday, but I'm trying to maneuver in the bank holiday but with my one currency, because I've tried to study its performance even during the bank holiday. Sometimes you'll want to stay in the chart, but it will be those high liquidity runs. And tomorrow we're inside a fair value gap in the weekly, so having having a fair value gap in the weekly. It's having a fair value gap in the weekly is something that you'll want to consider also. Price might actually be giving us an entry there. Oh, the same fair value gap. Yeah. We want to feel it completely. Yeah, I'm actually in the correct side. Even if you're inside that fair value gap, the weekly. If it doesn't, no problemos. So this is a bearish order block, so price actually discount there. Looking in the 4 hour, looking it in the 4 hour, it's actually bullish, but this price has not touched a discount array, has not touched a discount array in the 4 hour, but in the hour, see how price smoothly touched that. See in the hourly also, our entry, how it's nice, it has created this order block. Now entry there, that order block in the 5 minute. So it's an hourly order block. We don't want to see price coming below it. If it does, but this is an order block. You see this price coming below this low, it's actually understandable because it's a bank holiday, not a good day to trade. But this price already touched that order block in the hourly. Now we want to see more bullish prices to that level that I showed you. Discount to premium discount. That's the game. Now in the hourly, you've seen how price is respecting this order. Price is not closing inside it. I want to see price coming inside it again. In the 15 minute, it was inside that fair value gap in the 15 minute. So price has touched that. Price has touched that discount in the 15 minutes. A fair value gap. You see it? It's a fair value gap. So it's a discount array, but we are above the daily price, so we're expecting more bullish prices. See, boom, continue rolling up higher. What I've seen, remember it's a bank holiday. That's one thing I want to remind myself. No pressing so much harder. It's a bank holiday. That 5 minute order block, and also in the 5 minute, can you see an SMT 220 230? 220 230, lower low, higher high, and the DXY. But I usually want to see the DXY, the SMT of DXY and the cable. So this 220 and 230. What a good SMT. Yeah, price might actually be going down. See how price is going up in the euro. Let's go back to our this is the 0 Yep, we're actually wrong, and we're closing the live because it's a bank holiday. Don't want to press so much hard. I want to see price coming. If it takes me out in this, I'll actually end the live and come back maybe in the New York or tomorrow, because in fact tomorrow, because price action has done what? It's a bank holiday and you don't want to press so much hard. the consistency thing is what's actually running in my mind, whereby I should be consistent. But it's a bank holiday, no need to press so much hard. If it touches this, we are wrong, and we call it a day of trading and actually come back after some more time. Until we meet again, enjoy. And that was the short live of during the bank holiday, where you don't want to participate so much hard, and come back tomorrow. Don't open any other trade. Adios, muchachos.